Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we are having poor man's meat and potatoes. We're going to start off with a pound of hamburger meat. You're going to want to cook that until done and then drain it. During the meantime, I want you to thinly slice 3 potatoes. Okay, next we're going to add a onion mix packet or beefy onion mix. You choose whichever you like the most. Just 1 packet. Mix that around. This alone smells good. I really like that onion mix. I like onions. I love onions, okay? I love onions. Okay, and then from there, I'm going to show you. See how thin? Like really thin. I sliced those potatoes. 3 of them. Throw those in your hamburger. And again, let's mix that. Let's get that all mixed together. Okay, so now, this is so easy. 2 cups of water. I'm going to turn my stove down. I'm going to put a lid on this. Now what we're going to want to do is let that sit and simmer for like 20 minutes, stirring it maybe once or twice. All right, I'm going in to give it a stir. Those potatoes look like they are now getting ready to be done. I can tell because they are now breaking apart. I think I need to turn my heat up. And also, this is going to make a gravy. If you want, you can go ahead and add some pepper. And we just wait for that to thicken up a little bit more. I just want to mention that I stirred it just this one time, but now I'm going to leave the lid off of it because I do want that liquid to evaporate and for this to get a little bit thicker. Okay, friends, this looks like it is getting done there. See that gravy is getting thick, but we don't want to cook it down until it's dry. So if you want, you could top it with some green onion, turn it off, push it off the stove, okay? Let that sit there for, let's say, 5 minutes and let that thicken up. Okay, those potatoes soaked that gravy up. Now, I want to get in there because I want hamburger and potatoes. It is still very, very hot. I don't know why I don't have this more often. It's so simple and so easy to make. Only 3 ingredients. And it's done. Okay, so in my head I was like, ooh, if I had sour cream, I would top that with sour cream. Maybe even a little bit of cheese. But I like it just the way it is. But, you know, you could do some other things with it, like add some more toppings. Okay, friends. This turned out delicious. I hope you love it. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But friends, please keep cooking, and I love you all.